Today's topic is simplify. First we rules follow. Minus into minus equal to plus. Plus into plus equal to plus. Minus into plus equal to minus. Plus into minus equal to minus. Here some problems. Minus 8 plus minus 7. Plus into minus minus. Minus 8 minus 7 equal to minus 15. Next, minus 8 plus 8. Same numbers opposite signs is always 0. Minus 8 plus 8 is 0. Next, another example. 4 plus minus 8. Plus into minus minus. 4 minus 8 equal to minus 4. Next, minus 8 plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Next, minus 7 plus into minus 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 9. Minus 7 minus 9 is minus 16.